comparing palettes from similar collections. We're gonna start with Colourpop. Colourpop has done 2 collections on Sailor Moon, and the first one they did was this Sailor Moon collection, the Pretty Guardian collection. And we're gonna open her up and see it because I was feeling nostalgic and wanted this palette back in my collection. So this is what it looks like. Kind of pastel, very neutral, kind of warmer leaning. And then they came out with the Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon for Love and Justice palette. Now, as you can see, very different. Kind of cooler toned, a little less pastel, maybe still some lighter colors, but a little less pastel than the other. So they're very different in different ways because this one has like the moving palette cover. This one does not. Like, here's the inside of both for a reference. Very interesting, and the different color stories. So we're gonna do an eye look on each one and see how they compare. So on this side, we are going to use the First Guardians palette, and we're just going to use some of these pastels. And now the other palette. And this is the second eye. I'm gonna put on some mascara and then we're gonna talk. All right, so we are up close and personal to just look at the eyes. So obviously, as you can see from the original one, they definitely made it a little bit more warm, a little bit more pastel. I kind of did like almost this dawn kind of look, like dawn colors kind of look to kind of showcase the colors. Definitely warm, definitely performs the way I remember it performing. Now, the For Love and Justice palette, you can obviously, it's a lot more cool toned, very dusk looking look. I like this one, but the shimmer that I used, I don't think is as impactful as it should. Both are good, you just gotta determine what color story you want.